Good morning, everybody. It's Monday in the Philippines, 8 o'clock. Got a lot going on this morning. We got my niece and nephew. They're doing Copra, coconut. I came over yesterday from all these coconut up here. They use like a big long bamboo with a knife and they cut them down. So we had a bunch roll down. Got a bunch behind our retaining wall. Some fell into the trench with the French drain, broke the pipe. We got coconuts in the well. So coconuts bashed against my chicken coop, against my net. So might be cutting all these coconut trees down. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
We'll cut all the coconut trees down?
No.
No? All right. We hired a painter yesterday. He was supposed to be here starting a skim coat on the inside, but he didn't show up. Got an electrician here and a helper. Devin.
Hey.
Get all this stuff done here. Put in the manual transfer switch. This is gonna be like the solar wall right here. We'll hang the batteries and whatnot. Things are coming along good. We had a problem in the shower last week I didn't tell you guys about. This is where the hot water heater is gonna go. So he didn't want to plug where it would get wet, so we put an outlet up there. And I said, that's not gonna work. So he's just gonna straight wire the hot water tank, and then they're gonna cover all that up. So it'll be straight wired to the box, and then the box will cover this, and I'll epoxy this in, or have them epoxy it in, so there'll be no water getting in. I might do a drop ceiling in here because I don't know if I can take it. I'm sure they can paint that pipe. I don't know. Maybe that'll be a future project. Just do a drop ceiling in here because it just bugs me. Anybody that knows me, I just can't stand stuff like that. Got Willie working on the counter. Counter's here. We got the skim coat right here. The painter made a special trip yesterday to get it. He might just be looking for a helper today. But the bedroom is ready to be skim coated and painted and tiled. So we got to go to town tomorrow to register our truck. So we'll be picking up our tile for all this tomorrow. We're doing a 20 by 100 centimeter gray wood tile. It's gonna cost us like $700. Not too bad. This is a big area here. Let's see what else is going on out here. Been rendering, finishing up the outside. Yeah, we got Jerry out here. Morning, Jerry. He's a good renderer. He does a good job. He did this yesterday. I think when they're done with it. Hey, when this is all hooked up, you're gonna go over this? Render over this? Yeah. So he should be done in a couple of days. Got one more block over here to do. Take you upstairs. This window will be sealed in. There's not gonna be a window here. We got a comment. Elvin! Be sealing up that window. And I guess we'll be keeping this bathroom window here. I don't want to keep it, but got more comments on keep it than not keep it. I just think it's gonna mess up this hallway. So I wanted to hang some nice pictures along this wall, big pictures. Whatever. I'm not that worried about it. Rendering up here. We're putting in a split type AC here. We're gonna hold off on figuring out how to run that until we buy it. So I wanna make sure it's centered, and I'm not sure which side the plug's on, the left or the right, and then there's a unit that's gotta be installed outside. We're looking at a 1.5 horsepower split type with an inverter. That should cool down this room and living room pretty good. Coming through. Jerome working today. Should be done rendering in here soon. These guys in their vapes. Bathroom. And I think I'm just gonna put that toilet, even if it's too far out, just put the toilet there, and then I'll have them build a cabinet for behind the toilet, so as long as it's functional. Walk-in closet. Should have this rendered today. So everything's moving along. We're only gonna have one electrical outlet in here and one light. Excuse me, sir. Got Alex rendering the outside balcony here.
Yung labas yung magkayo.
View from the balcony. Update on Gavin, my little buddy. He's doing better. Still in the hospital. Off the breathing machine. He's still got a feeding tube in. His sugar's still high, but infection's going down. So thanks for the comments on him. He's doing better. All right, guys. That's Monday morning update from the build. Almost at 900 subscribers. The YouTube Nazi boss is so happy. All right, guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it now. And we'll talk to you soon. Later.